Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. And if we want to remove watermark, we can use mask trick. You can duplicate your video first. I'm going to select copy and then paste. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the mask menu right here, select mask and then add mask, and you can choose the shape of the mask. For me, I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this and take another part of the video which is suitable to cover the watermark. And I'm going to take this part, and then we can go back to the basic and drag the mask to cover the unwanted watermark. Okay, and to make it more natural guys, I recommend you to adjust the lightness. So I'm going to go to the adjustment. It's right here, and then I'm going to go to lightness. Okay, I'm going to increase the exposure. Oops, let's try 1. Guys, okay, and it looks natural, more natural than before, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And okay guys, that's how we can remove watermark from our video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.